Hi, for today's art history, we are going to do a review on all of the art that we've done throughout the semester, and this is called Artstagram. So with your Artstagram, what I have here are links to all of the different videos and artists that we've discussed throughout the entire semester. So if you click on one of these, if you click this, it'll open up the video that we watched from before. So this is definitely a review. And then what you're going to do is I'd like you to go ahead and make an Artstagram or an Instagram-like post. And what you're going to do is, first of all, find a picture from your artist that you really enjoyed, something that maybe wasn't seen in one of the videos, but something that you really enjoyed and you want your peers to see. Also, other things we have here is make sure that you give your artist's name. We also have 3 hashtags. I want you to kind of come up with 3 different things that really kind of simplify what your artist is about. So on mine here, I have One with Nature Man, I have Pure Nature, and Building with Nature. That kind of sums up, those 3 sum up a lot about what Andrew Goldsworthy is about and what he does here. And I also have, make sure that you add your name on here if you have a nickname or a handle you'd like to put on there, you can also do that. In addition, when you are finished, when everybody's kind of coming to an end here, I'd like you to go through and you'll be able to see everybody else's posts. You'll be able to see everybody else's Artstagrams as you go through here. Something else I'd like you to do is go ahead and when you find one that you like, let's go ahead and say that you like Mrs. Rouse. I'd like you to make a comment on that. So you can make another hashtag if you would like. Please try to keep it about the artist and stay focused on your art history today. All right, guys, have fun.